Dear students, our next topic is the human nervous system. First of all, the functions of the nervous system. It gathers information from both inside and outside the body, that is sensory function, and it transmits information to the processing areas of the brain and spine. Also process the information in the brain and spine, that is the integration function, and it sends information to the muscles, glands and organs so they can respond appropriately, that is the motor function. The main divisions of the nervous system are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. That is the two main division. The basic cells of the nervous system, first of all, neuron, that is it is a basic functional cell of nervous system. It transmits impulses, that is, and the parts of a neuron are dendrite, cell body, axon, Schwann cells, myelin sheath, and node of the Ranvier. And in case of an impulse is a change in the environment with sufficient strength to initiate a response. And excitability is the ability of a neuron to respond to the stimulus and convert it into a nerve impulse. And synapse, it is a small gap or space between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another. The neurons do not actually tap at the synapse. Next, the neurotransmitters. The neurotransmitters chemically in the junction which allow impulse to be started in the second neuron. Then the reflex arc. The reflex arc, the receptors react to stimulus, and in case of a central nervous system, it consists of brain and the spinal cord. The regions of the brain are cerebellum, thalamus, medulla, the brainstem, and the hypothalamus. The function of cerebellum is the coordination of movement and aspects of motor learning. Cerebrum, it is a conscious activity including thalamus, the brain switchboard, and medulla, it vital reflex as a heartbeat and respiration. And the brainstem, it consists of medulla, pons, and midbrain. The hypothalamus involved in regulating activities, internal organs, monitoring information from the autonomic nervous system. And these are the main points in the human nervous system.